This is a quick all you need to know review of TOUCHBeauty electric nail drill. When I set up my home nail station, I wanted to get equipment that had both style and functionality. So I got this nail drill for do-it-yourself gel manicures. I have to say I was surprised about the quality. I really like this drill. It comes in a nice box with a charger and 12 drill bits. The material is metallic and it feels sturdy. I am not a nail technician, but this was really easy to use. To change the drill bit, you just pull out the drill bit that's inside and then just press the other one on. It can't get any simpler than that. The 3 buttons on the drill is a power button and the speed buttons, that is plus and minus. With the 12 drill bits, you have everything you need for a perfect manicure. What I really like about it is that it's not noisy at all. It doesn't vibrate much and it's easy to use. The drill bits stay on effortlessly with friction. It is surprisingly powerful for a do-it-yourself manicure drill. Overall, I think this is a really great find and I'm so happy that I purchased it. If you're looking for a high quality cordless drill, this is definitely for you.